Someone asked me to show how to pass this thread. You first reel your thread. To reel your thread, you're going to pick your thread like this. Then you roll it and then fix it here. Then you push it towards this end. Then you reel. Not reeling. I have to put it here so that then I reel. So when I get the quantity I want, then I'll stop. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'll pull it out back. Then I'll cut the thread. Now I'll open up this part here. Open it up. Then open this place. This is where your shuttle is. Pull out the shuttle. I'll remove the thread that was there before. Then I'll fix my thread inside the shuttle. Then I'll replace it like this. Okay, so it's placed. Then I'll close it up and pull this handle down. Take my thread. Here is my thread. Pass, you see here, pass through here. Then come, see, let me go again. Pass through. There's a hook here. Pass here. Then you bring it, it's pass through here. Then bring it out back to through this line, towards this line. Bring it out there. Take it up. Then you raise this up. See, it's up. Then you pass the thread through. There is a hole here. Let me pass it again. And then you come down. When you come down, you pass your thread like this. I'm trying to station my, okay, so you pass it. There is a hook here also. Then you come out and pass it towards the middle. Excuse me. Then pass it through the needle. The needle is that you pass it through the hole at the needle here. So you pull it out. Then you are done. Then you come towards the tension here. You roll it down. There's a tension here. Roll it down. Then you'll be able to pull out your thread from here. Because I have to use one hand for everything. So just roll your tension down here. Pull it down here and bring out your thread. So you are good. You can start sewing. That's all.